Hi, this is Nicholas from Arium, Apple repair and upgrade specialist. We recently welcomed our second daughter to the world, and her name contains an accented character, so what better time to drop a tip about how to type words with accents on Mac and iOS when using an English keyboard setting. The process is actually rather similar on both platforms, but with a subtle difference for each. Let's start with the Mac. On macOS, when you need to type a character with an accent, first locate the base character for which you want the accent to appear, and press and hold it. You will be presented with a popover displaying a list of the accent types available, as well as a number grade below. You then simply type the corresponding number key to add the appropriate accent. In our example, we want the acute accent on the E character, so press the 2 key. On iOS, it's a somewhat more fluid move to accomplish the same thing. Again, we're going to target the acute accent on the E character, so we press and hold on the E key on the soft keyboard. This then produces a popover, but instead of then pressing a number key to select the accent we desire, instead we swipe our finger up onto the acute accent and let go. This is done in one move. If you let go of the screen after pressing and holding, then the process is aborted and you just get a standard E character instead. So there you go, how to insert a character with an accent into your document without having to navigate to the character palette or copy and paste it from somewhere else. Be sure to check out the other tips that we have on our blog by visiting arium.co.uk/blog.